you can download it and you can save it and you can keep it as a backup. Yeah. First, what is option it has been given over here. If you want to go back, what you have to do is either you can click on this, it will go back, or else click on the, as I told you, here you have an option, undo, go back. Okay. For suppose now I have opened the background colors. Whichever the color I like the most, I can change the color. Okay. Whichever the color I wanted to, and I can even choose the color as per my requirement. Okay. Let's have a green board, or else I think this one is the best better, right? Usually in the classroom we use this kind of a green, okay? And others, any background selection. As you have asked, that can be selected from here. Okay? If you want to go back, so this is how you can choose the background. And to add a page, you just need to click add. Okay, there is an likewise, here we have tested almost 10,000